Samsung TV factory reset not working. Verified fixes from Tech Vibes. Is your Samsung TV stuck, or is the factory reset simply not working? It is incredibly frustrating when your screen is frozen or the menu options are grayed out. Do not worry, if you watch this full video, you can fix the problem yourself at home. We have verified these solutions from real user feedback and tech support. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more authentic tech repairs. First, try a soft reset. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Wait for exactly 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary software glitches. Next, try the remote reset. Press and hold the power button on your remote control for 15 seconds. Keep holding until the TV restarts and the logo appears. If the screen is working, follow this path. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Reset. Enter the default PIN, which is 0000. If the standard menu is grayed out, we must use the hidden service menu. Turn off your TV first. On your remote, quickly press mute, then 1, then 8, then 2, and then power. The hidden menu will appear on your screen. Only follow these exact steps. Use the arrows to navigate. Go to Option, then select Factory Reset. Press Enter and your TV will perform a deep reset. Be very careful here. Only navigate to the reset option. Sometimes an update is needed first. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then select Software Update. Update to the latest version. Disconnect all HDMI and USB-C cables. External devices can sometimes block the reset process. Try the reset again with no devices attached. Your Samsung TV should now be working perfectly. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. Stay tuned for more professional repair guides. We will see you in the next one.